Okay guys, universal enclosure. It arrives with some instructions. There's also a template there for drilling the mounting holes. Okay, so place the unit face down on the dimmer, press in and slide back. That will release it from these two clips here, and then over here we've got a slide over here to open it up. Okay, inside the box we've got the screws, wall mount screws, and we've got an Allen key on a magnet over here to access the dimmer and the repeater inside. Make sure that these wires are just out of the way. There you go. Okay, so I remove the Allen key from the back of the enclosure, undo the two screws on the front so that you can connect your load and connect the dimmer. Open the front face. The load is connected down here on these lever terminals from the repeater. Should you need to connect your dimmer to a timer or to a PLC, you will need to undo the 4 wing nuts and connect a shielded cable at the terminals provided. When closing the lid, just make sure that you'll also be feeding your load wires through the bottom of the enclosure and through the glands provided. When closing the lid, just make sure that everything's lying nice and flat. It should close without any pressure. Sometimes these lever terminals are standing upright and it prevents it closing. And there it's done.